Welcome to Yalcin Lab at the Biomedical Research Center at Qatar University. Yalcin Lab has been founded in 2016 and ever since it has been a hub for shaping young scientists from multidisciplinary fields. Yalcin Lab is a cardiovascular bioengineering group that focuses on cardiac biofluid mechanics research. Our lab's vision is to bridge the gap between academia, clinical practice, and technological industry through the utilization and production of engineering, computer science, and laboratory tools for advancing human health. While our mission is to cultivate young minds to become pioneers and leaders in STEM and medicine through literacy and the systematic application and production of cutting-edge technology to solve biological and medical challenges. There are 7 main research areas that our lab specializes in. 1. In vivo, in vitro cardiac disease models. In this area, we investigate mechanobiology of cardiovascular diseases using complex cardiac mimicking microfluidic flow systems integrated with 3D in vitro culture platforms. Zebrafish and chick embryo in vivo models are utilized for genetic, surgical and environmental toxicological interference to generate clinically relevant cardiac defects. 2. Numerical simulation of cardiovascular flows. In this area, we generate patient-specific computational fluid dynamics models of disturbed hemodynamics for cardiovascular disease using advanced techniques such as fluid structure interaction modeling. 3. Machine learning systems for cardiovascular disease diagnosis and therapy planning. In this area, we employ machine learning approaches such as deep neural networks for automated cardiovascular diseases diagnosis and therapy planning. 4. Cardiac tissue engineering. In this area, we work on production of viable cardiac substitutes. Cardiac scaffolds are designed and produced and then tested using in vitro bioreactor systems and in vivo disease models. 5. Nanomedicine for cardiovascular diseases. In this area, we work on different cardiac nanomedicine formulations that are produced and tested using in vitro and in vivo platforms. 6. Cardiac biomarkers, biosensors and microfluidic systems. In this area, biosensors and microfluidic systems are designed and tested as diagnostic tools for cardiovascular and metabolic diseases. 7. Environmental toxicology. In this area, the toxicological influence of chemicals and drugs in both in vitro and in vivo models are studied. There are 5+1 facilities in our lab. 1. In vitro, static and dynamic cell culture and microfluidics. 2. In ovo, chick embryo facilities. 3. In vivo, zebrafish facility. 4. Computational and clinical data facility. 5. 3-dimensional printing. +1. BRC's bioimaging unit. Yalcin Lab believes that science is collaborative and therefore we have been collaborating with notable local and international laboratories on both science, engineering, and clinical level. Translating philosophy into an action, Yalcin Lab pledged to cultivate and nurture young minds through providing them semester and training programs for students from high school level to graduate studies level. In addition, involving students in real projects such Europe and NPRP grants where they can learn and produce science. Many of Yalcin Lab alumni have secured graduate school positions in prestigious schools or founded their own labs. We are looking forward to see you at Yalcin Lab. Until then, stay in touch.